My name's Daniel Mansfield. My role at Althea is the Director of Cultivation. That role encompasses everything to do with the growing, management and production of the plant material, right from the genetics through to the harvested flowers, and ultimately growing quality plants and quality flowers to produce our medicines. Medicinal cannabis is grown a number of different ways, from indoor, outdoor, greenhouse. We're choosing to go down the greenhouse model to ensure that we get the highest quality product with the most automation to be able to reduce our labour inputs. Medicinal cannabis is a very labour-intensive crop to go. There's a lot of labour-intensive work in removing the leaf foliage to allow the flowers to develop stronger buds and more potent medicines. We're looking at lots of automation options to reduce that labour input to keep our cost of production down. The medicinal cannabis we produce at Althea is focused on producing the highest quality medicines we can. And that starts right from the genetics we source out of North America, right through the greenhouse environment that we provide, and making sure it's a consistent, controlled environment to replicate the same medicine day in, day out. My role is responsible for producing the highest quality flowers that are the source material that we use to extract our cannabinoids to produce our medicines. So producing the highest quality flowers is integral to producing a quality medicine. I'm proud of the process we've developed at Althea for our production protocols and techniques. We're focusing on producing the highest quality plants to produce the highest quality medicines that ultimately end up in the patient's hands.